You've lost everything. Your heart is heavy with the burden of rejection and shame. You feel like you're trapped in a never-ending nightmare. But I'm here to tell you, my friend, that no matter how dark and stormy the night, the sun will always rise again. Remember, every single person who has achieved greatness faced adversity. They've suffered losses, faced rejection, and felt the sting of shame. It's not what happens to us that defines who we are. It's how we choose to respond. Imagine a phoenix rising from the ashes, reborn and more powerful than ever before. That's you. You have the power to transform your life, but it begins with one small step, one moment of courage, and the willingness to face your fears and embrace change. No one can take away your power to choose. You can choose to live in the past, shackled by your mistakes and your pain, or you can choose to live in the present, actively working to heal and rebuild your life. So take a deep breath and make that choice today. It's time to surround yourself with positive influences, people who believe in you and who will support you through thick and thin. Reach out and connect with those who have walked in your shoes. Learn from their experiences and let their strength inspire you. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. As you rise from the ashes, it's important to forgive yourself and those who have hurt you. Let go of resentment and embrace the freedom of forgiveness. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting, but it allows you to release the shackles of the past and move forward with grace and love. It's time to set new goals for yourself, to dream bigger than ever before. Visualize your success, feel it in your bones, and believe in your ability to achieve it. And as you work towards your goals, remember to celebrate every victory, no matter how small, because each step brings you closer to the life you want. On this journey, you'll encounter setbacks and obstacles, but don't let them discourage you. Embrace the challenge and learn from it. Turn adversity into opportunity, and remember that every struggle is an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. And when you find yourself in moments of doubt, remember that you are worthy of love, happiness, and success. You are deserving of all of the good things life has to offer. You have the power to transform your pain into purpose, your heartache into hope, and your failures into fuel for your dreams. So, rise, my friend. Rise from the ashes like the magnificent phoenix you are. Embrace your power to heal, to grow, and to create a life filled with love, purpose, and success.